Living in Celebration, Florida, means enjoying charming neighborhoods, beautifully designed homes, and the sunshine lifestyle. But with Florida's heat, humidity, and storm potential, many homeowners eventually face the need for new windows. One of the first questions most people ask is, how much will window installation cost? While the answer varies, understanding the factors that influence cost can help Celebration residents plan smarter, budget effectively, and make the right choices for their homes. Average window installation costs in Celebration. On average, window installation in Celebration ranges from $450 to $1,200 per window, depending on the size, style, and materials you choose. Basic single-hung vinyl windows typically fall on the lower end, while large, custom, or impact-resistant windows sit at the higher end of the scale. For a full home replacement, homeowners may spend anywhere from $6,000 to $20,000 plus, depending on the number of windows and the features selected. While that might sound like a big investment, it's important to consider the long-term savings on energy bills, maintenance, and even insurance premiums in Florida's climate. Key factors that affect window installation costs. Window style. Different window designs come with different price points. Single hung and double hung. Affordable and classic, often the go-to for standard replacements. Casement and awning windows provide better ventilation but cost slightly more due to their hardware. Bay and bow windows. Larger and more complex to install, adding curb appeal but increasing cost. Picture windows. Typically larger panes of fixed glass, offering stunning views but higher glass expenses. Frame material. Vinyl. Cost-effective, low maintenance, and energy efficient, popular in Celebration homes. Fiberglass. Durable and energy efficient, but higher in price. Wood. Elegant but requires upkeep in Florida's humidity, often costing more long-term. Aluminum. Strong and slim but less insulating, usually priced in the mid-range. Glass features. Energy efficiency is a must in Florida. Upgrades like double pane or triple pane glass, argon gas fills, or low-E coatings add to upfront costs but reduce cooling bills year after year. Impact resistance. In Celebration, located in a hurricane-prone region, many homeowners opt for impact-resistant windows. While these can cost up to 50% more than standard windows, they offer unmatched protection, peace of mind, and may even reduce insurance costs. Labor and installation. Professional labor is essential for proper sealing, fitting, and storm resistance. Costs can vary depending on the complexity of your home's design, whether old windows need to be removed, and if structural adjustments are required. Hidden costs to keep in mind. Beyond the window price itself, local homeowners should budget for removal of old windows and disposal fees, upgraded hardware or trim finishes, permit costs, which are often required in Florida, unexpected repairs, such as replacing rotted wood around the frames. Working with a reputable contractor ensures all potential expenses are explained up front so there are no surprises later. Why professional installation is worth it. While DIY might look like a way to save money, windows in Celebration must withstand humidity, heat, and storm conditions. Professional installers provide airtight seals to prevent drafts and leaks, expert fitting to avoid water intrusion during storms, compliance with Florida building codes, warranties that protect your investment. Skimping on installation could lead to higher long-term costs in repairs, energy bills, and even storm damage. Final thoughts for Celebration homeowners. Window installation costs are an investment in comfort, efficiency, and safety. Prices vary depending on style, material, and features, but understanding the factors involved helps you budget wisely and choose the best options for your home. By pairing high-quality windows with professional installation, you'll not only boost your home's curb appeal but also enjoy lower energy bills and stronger protection against Florida's humid climate and storm season. With the right planning, your new windows will pay for themselves in savings, safety, and peace of mind for years to come.